Question number 30, SAT practice test 2. We have a figure that is representing a regular hexagon with a side length of A. So all those are A. And a square with side of A. So this is also A, and A. We are giving the information that the area of the hexagon is 384 radical 3 square inches, and we are asked to find out what is the area of the square. We do know that the formula for area of a square is side times side. So in our case, the area of the square is going to equal A squared. Obviously, we need to find the value of A in order to answer that question. So our focus will shift towards the hexagon since that's where we have information regarding the area of the figure. Now, the area of a hexagon actually contains the area of 6 congruent isosceles triangles. So the area of one small triangle, one of the 6 triangles, is going to be 384 radical 3 divided by 6. This is going to be exactly 64 radical 3. So the area of one of the small triangles, which is an equilateral triangle, so all sides are A, is 64 radical 3. We do know that the area of a triangle is base times height, and since this is 60 equilateral, this is going to be 30 degrees. And we know in this case from special right triangle that the height of that triangle is actually the long leg in a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So if we look at the equilateral triangle and you consider just the portion of it that's contained between one of the legs, half of the other leg, and the height, this is a special right triangle, 30, 60, 90, and the altitude is actually the long leg. We do know that the long leg of a special right triangle is radical 3 over 2 of the hypotenuse. So now I'm going to use the area as base times height divided by 2. Well, the area of a small triangle is 64 radical 3. The base of the triangle is actually A. The height is radical 3 over 2A divided by 2. And this is what I'm going to use to find A. So I have 64 radical 3 would equal A squared times radical 3 divided by 4. The radical 3's will cancel out. I'll multiply both sides by 4. And I'll have 256 equals A squared. I really don't need anything more. That's my answer since I'm looking for the area of a square, and we said that the area in that particular square is A squared. So 256 is A squared, and this is what I am looking for. That's my answer.